Before you begin, be sure your car is parked safely and turned off. Always be mindful of hot components like radiator hoses, caps, and other items nearby. The air filter for the 2.4-liter turbocharged 2022 Subaru WRX is moderately easy to replace and can be done in less than 5 minutes. No tools are required. To remove the old filter, you can locate the main filter box at the passenger side front of the engine bay just behind the radiator. To open, simply pop the two clips located at the top of the box. The box is secured at the bottom by two tightly fitted tabs that can slide out by working the box upward and tilting it rearward. It is a tight fit, and the attached rubber air tube is stiff, so a bit of effort is required to wrestle it open far enough to extract the air filter element. Once you've gained enough clearance, lift the air filter element upward and out. To replace the filter, just reverse the order of removal. Take care not to damage the new filter while sliding it into the tight space. Make sure you have the filter seated well and that the edges aren't pinched in any way before you insert the two tabs at the bottom of the air box into place and begin to close it up. Once it's all seated, secure the two latches at the top and you're done.